Have you ever wondered how millions of websites are built so quickly and easily these days? Or maybe you've heard the word WordPress thrown around, but you're not quite sure what it actually is. Imagine wanting to start a blog, an online store, or even a portfolio, but you have no idea where to begin. Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into the world of WordPress, what it is, why it's everywhere, and how it might just be the tool you need for your next website. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what WordPress is and why it's such a big deal. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is WordPress? WordPress is a free, open-source software that helps you create and manage websites. It started back in 2003, mainly as a blogging tool. But over the years, it's grown into something much bigger. Now, you can use WordPress to build almost any kind of website you can think of. Blogs, business sites, online stores, portfolios, news sites, you name it. Here's a fun fact. Over 40% of all websites on the internet use WordPress. That's almost half the web. So, chances are, you've visited a WordPress site without even knowing it. But why is WordPress so popular? Let's break it down. First, WordPress is easy to use. You don't need to be a tech expert or know how to code. If you can use Microsoft Word or Google Docs, you can use WordPress. It has a simple dashboard where you can add pages, write posts, upload pictures, and more. Second, WordPress is flexible. You can start with a basic blog and turn it into a full online store later. There are thousands of free and paid themes that change how your site looks. Want a photography site? There's a theme for that. Need a site for your bakery? There's a theme for that too. And then there are plugins. Plugins are like apps for your website. They add new features, like contact forms, photo galleries, or even online shops. There are over 50,000 plugins available, so you can customize your site however you want. Let's talk about the two types of WordPress. This is where some people get confused. There's WordPress.com and WordPress.org. They sound similar, but they're a bit different. WordPress.com is a hosted service. You sign up, and they take care of all the technical stuff for you. You don't have to worry about hosting, security, or updates. It's great for beginners or people who just want something simple. But there are some limits on what you can do, especially with the free plan. WordPress.org, on the other hand, is the self-hosted version. You download the software and install it on your own web hosting. This gives you full control over your site. You can use any theme or plugin you want. You can even change the code if you want to. But you are also responsible for things like updates, backups, and security. It's a bit more work, but you get a lot more freedom. Let's look at a real-life example. Imagine you want to start a food blog. With WordPress, you can pick a theme that's perfect for recipes. You can add plugins to let people print your recipes or rate them. You can even add a shop later to sell your own cookbook. All of this, without needing to hire a web developer. Or maybe you run a small business. You can use WordPress to create a professional-looking website. Add your services, show off your work, and let people contact you. If your business grows, you can add an online store or a booking system. WordPress grows with you. Now, you might be wondering, is WordPress safe? The answer is yes, as long as you keep it updated and use trusted plugins and themes. Like any software, it needs regular updates to stay secure. Most hosting companies offer automatic updates and backups, which makes things easier. Another question people ask is, how much does WordPress cost? The WordPress software itself is free. But you'll need to pay for web hosting and a domain name if you use WordPress.org. Themes and plugins can be free or paid, depending on what you choose. So, you can start small and only spend more if you want extra features. Let's talk about the community. WordPress has a huge community of users, developers, and designers. There are forums, blogs, and even local meetups where you can get help or share ideas. If you ever get stuck, chances are someone else has had the same problem and found a solution. So, to sum up, WordPress is a tool that makes building websites easy and flexible. It's used by beginners, small businesses, and even big companies. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started. And with so many themes, plugins, and a helpful community, you can build almost any kind of website you want. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Leave a comment below if you have any questions about WordPress or if you want to share your own experience. And if you want more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and remember, building a website doesn't have to be hard. With WordPress, anyone can do it. See you in the next video.